Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GNC versus MuscleTech whey protein. We'll explore the key differences and similarities between these popular brands to help you make an informed decision. Understanding their unique offerings is crucial for choosing the best protein supplement for your fitness goals. Let's dive into the details and see which one might be a better fit for your needs. GNC's own brand, AMP, provides a variety of whey protein options, including both isolate and concentrate forms. These products typically deliver around 25 grams of high-quality protein per serving, supporting muscle repair and growth. GNC emphasizes quality, often featuring supplements that are third-party tested, ensuring you receive a reliable product. Their diverse selection allows for personalized choices based on dietary needs. MuscleTech's popular NitroTech series stands out with its blend of whey isolate and peptides, designed for rapid absorption. Many of their products boast an impressive 30 grams of protein per serving, often combined with 3 grams of creatine for enhanced strength. MuscleTech frequently integrates cutting-edge ingredients to boost performance and recovery, appealing to serious athletes. Their focus is on maximizing results through innovative formulations. Choosing between GNC and MuscleTech whey protein depends on your individual fitness goals and preferences. Consider factors like protein content, additional ingredients such as creatine, and your budget. Both brands offer excellent options, so review their specific product lines to find what aligns best with your needs. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy training!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.